Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter Nom Nom. I'm Annette if you are new here. Today is Yes Oh Yes Day. So let's just get right into this. So we've got our fun little card for this month. The theme is Miami Art Deco. This says that the total box retail value is $91. The first thing we have, Ipsy Cosmetics Lip Pencil. Ça c'est le box. This is in the shade Retro Red, and that is a really nice red. I like that. So that's just lovely. And then we have Estate. I don't think I've heard of this company. Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. This is the box. Oh, I got the blue one. It's blue. Look at this. Oh. That's so pretty. Next, we got Sorbet Treatment Cosmetics Smear Proof Eyeliner in navy blue. Oh, it's square. That's interesting. Oh, yes. That is what I want today. Nomad La Habana. I think this is an eyeshadow. Oh, this is the one I was worried about because I saw a lot of people getting gold and I really, really do not need any more gold eyeshadows. This is the box. Isn't it pretty? Oh, wow. The packaging on this is so nice. This is in the shade La Playa. It appears to not entirely be a gold eyeshadow. This looks more like a creamy sort of color. Oh yeah, that's nice. That. And the last thing we got, Cosmoholic. I believe this is a lipstick or a lip gloss. The front of the packaging, very pretty. It has a mirror on the back, and I believe, I'm gonna move you guys in early so I can show you that. When we open it, yes. Haha. Look at that. And it smells so good. I like this color. All right, let's work on my face.